こんにちは。今日はですね、前回めちゃくちゃ好評やった外国の方が日本の自動販売機で飲み物を買うという企画です。Yeah, you told me you are from Australia, right?
Yes, I am.
And you came here with your family member.
Yeah, we're on a holiday and it's been really fun so far.
So, how long have you been to Japan so far?
We've been here 2 weeks and we're actually going home today.
You're going back home
I
today?
know, yeah.
No way!
It's really sad. I love it here.
Yeah. But can you share some of your experience that you had in Japan?
Well, we went to a garden and we saw some fish.
Oh yeah?
Some big koi fish, and they were very pretty. I love them so much.
You don't have koi fish in your...
We don't have them in Australia, no. But I'd love to. They're pretty cool.
They're like opening mouths when people come to them.
They're so pretty.
Yeah, you think so?
And we went to the Nara Deer Garden and we saw some deer. Yeah, they were a bit scary though.
A little bit scary, yeah. I agree with you.
They kept on eating my shirt.
I know, they're so aggressive sometimes.
Yeah.
But what do you want to do in the future? Like,
I want to be a police officer.
So cool.
Yeah, and I want to help people.
You have to pick something you have no idea. You cannot guess what it is.
Okay.
Alright.
I've been drinking a lot of these coffee pots. I've been drinking lots of coffee.
No idea.
You have no idea what it is?
Or is it aroma?
Oronamin C.
C.
Drink.
Drink.
Drink. Which one?
Maybe this one.
This one?
Yeah.
I never drank this. It's something when you are really tired or
Energy drink.
energy drink, but like a real one, not like Red Bull, but like a real one. You wanna really try?
Yeah.
I'll try it.
So I met a beautiful family from Australia. Thank you so much for your time today.
I'm not sure what I'm drinking. I'm told it's a hot roasted tea.
Green tea.
Roasted green
And
tea.
no, it's not green at all.
It's not, and
What does it smell
it
like?
smells like nuts, roasted nuts. And we will try.
So it's smoky.
Smoky. That's nice. That's nice. It's nice hot. It's nice warm. Very good. Is this authentic Japanese tea?
Yes, it's really typical, like traditional Japanese tea that we
Good for
drink.
the morning.
I know, right?
That's nice. It's very, it is very relaxing and soothing. I like it. Yeah. Japanese drinks are nice because they're not too sweet. Australian drinks are too sweet. I like this.
Yeah, no sugar.
No sugar.
7.
7 out of 10?
7 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say 7 out of 10.
7. Let's drink yours. Can you tell me what you got?
This is my energy drink thingy. I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty interesting.
Cold and it's in a glass bottle.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll keep me wide awake.
Let's give it a go.
It smells sweet, kind of. Like some type of flower. I don't know. It's odd.
Flour.
Oh wow, that is sweet.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, that's very sweet.
I thought you liked sweet.
Oh wow.
Would that give
Do
you
you
an
like
energy
it?
hit? It does, yeah.
I think so.
It's good. It feels like it's made out of completely sugar though. But
Yeah, they say they have lots of nutrition in that one and good for recovering from tiredness.
Oh, it's gonna work.
Yeah. No, I don't like
Grape maybe?
Cherry.
Something sweet.
It's almost like sherbet.
How many out of 10?
To keep me awake, probably a 9.
But for taste?
But for taste, probably a 5.
Finally, I have no idea what this is. I have limited understanding of Japanese, but it looks like it says oronamin C.
I have no idea what
Dorinku.
oronamin means.
Oh, okay, that makes me feel better because
So,
it smells sweet. It smells like orange sherbet.
I guess I will just show.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. It's not too sweet. It's orange sherbet. It's not too fizzy because fizzy drinks my tummy doesn't like. So actually, I really like that. Yeah, I'd probably give that a 9 out of 10. And good for when I need a bit of a pickup after a long day of walking around. I like it.
Oh, that's good.
It's better than that one?
Yeah, it's way better.
It's definitely better than that. I'd give that a 9. I'd give that a 2.
Yeah. Want to try some, Dad?
It's so much better. That one tastes like the medicine that your mum used to give you that you didn't like.
Yeah.
That's Australian cough medicine.
And this one's a bit fizzy.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. Finally, we have corn soup
Yeah, how do you feel about
in a
it?
can. Well, I like corn soup. I just don't know about
Is it chicken and
coming.
corn soup or just corn soup?
It's just corn.
Just go.
Alright.
And it's hot, right?
Yeah.
Get a link.
Oh, it actually smells really good. It just looks kind of gross.
Chuck.
Actually, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's pretty good. Give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Thank you, because we would never have tried these drinks otherwise.
Yeah.
So,
I know, right?
So now we've learned something new. That smells good. It's good. I like it. It's not too sweet.
It smells nice. Yeah, I could taste the corn. It's nice. Yeah, I'd give it a 7 out of 10, I think.
No, thank you.
No, what?
No, thank you.
Oh no, thank you for you.
I'll stick to my tea.